a friend of mine has a walnut tree in his backyard, and he gave it to me. So I need to go clear some brush around it, and then I'll cut it down and make some lumber out of it. I'll certainly make a video out of that. And the goats are... Come on, you little hooligans. Out. Out, 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 out. Come on. No, stop eating the paper. Come on. Out, out, out. Out. But anyways, I don't often come across black walnut. People... I work with a guy who has a tree service, and occasionally he does cut black walnut. But the people who have the walnut cut think they're going to make a fortune off of it, and often try to sell the logs for more than I could sell it for if I was to mill it and dry it. So I don't really bother with it too much. But he's giving it to me, so I'm going to take it. In the morning, I'm heading out to Athens, Tennessee, because there is a guy that was advertising on Facebook Marketplace for an old Post drill press. So I bought this old, I was going to say I needed this. Also, yesterday on Facebook Marketplace, I picked up these two planes. They were advertised as barn finds, but I don't know where they came from. There's a big chip in this blade. This is a bedrock, and it's a corrugated bedrock, number 5. And this one is a Bailey number 6. So I'll do a video on those, doing a little restoration. What else is going on? I still have to do a video on the scraper I picked up in Maine. Snow out there today. How about that? Also have plenty of CNC projects and woodworking projects coming up. I pulled this piece of wood out of my burn pile, and I think I'll make a bench out of it. That'll probably be the next woodworking video. But plenty of woodworking to come. I was letting the goats out this morning, and I saw a flash of fur in the distance, and I thought, oh, a beaver, but there's no water around me, so I think it's a groundhog. I might try and tempt him out with some carrots or lettuce. He's in the goat pen. He's not doing any harm in there, so he can stay there. Oh yeah, and the kiln. I offloaded it before I went to Maine, and I loaded it again about 10 days ago. But we had some warm temperatures, about 75 even. And I've got all the vents open, and the kiln got up to about 108, I think. But our days are still kind of short, so I'm going to wait till we get into proper spring, and I'll do another video. I haven't been saying it in my videos lately, but if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, hit the like button, and as always, thank you for watching.